Hello, teacher. My name is Arturo, and this is my personal update. Okay, my number one personal day is my name is Arturo. My last name is Mesa Gomez. I'm 22 years old. I was born in Bogota on May 1999. My phone number is 3005149028. My email address is frammesagomez@gmail.com. Uh, I stud I studied at the institution normal superior of Cincelejo. I like the rock music. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite color is the black and purple. I like to watch movies and series. Uh, I like I like to learn more too. Bueno, gracias. Thank you so much for watch.